Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the problem when Outlook is not opening on Windows 11. First, open the search bar on your Windows 11 computer. Type apps and then click on Installed Apps. In the list of installed apps, search for Outlook. Once you find it, click on the three dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Here you will see two buttons, Repair and Reset. Click on Repair first. This will try to fix Outlook without affecting your data. Wait for the repair to finish and then try opening Outlook again. If that does not work, go back and click on Reset. This will reset the app data, but it may help to run Outlook again. If Outlook still does not open, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Look for the Microsoft folder and open it. Inside this folder, look for any folders named OK and OneOath. Select them and delete them. These are sometimes responsible for Outlook not opening properly. Next, search for Control Panel using the search bar. Open it and click on Programs, then uninstall a program. Look for Microsoft Office in the list of programs. Right-click on it and select Change. A window will open asking how you would like to repair it. You can try Quick Repair first. It is faster and might solve the problem. But if the issue continues, select Online Repair. This will take more time, but it is more effective at fixing serious issues. Wait for the repair to complete and then try to open Outlook. This process should fix the issue and get Outlook working again. Thanks for watching.